Okay, the objective is for you to be able to name simple ionic formulas or compounds. Ionic means the elements have lost or gained their valence electrons, so they've become cations and anions, positives and negatives, and that positive and negative makes the atom stick, and we just want to give it a name. And the reason you have a naming system is that so, people in Topeka are talking about the same thing as you are, and it's the same formula, same stuff. All right, and this is between a metal, and it's particularly these metals, groups 1 and 2, and the non-metals in groups 15, 16, 17, and 18. But not 18, 15, 16, and 17. These are elements like lithium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, cesium, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, and nitrogen. Metals and nonmetals. For example, Na. Na is salt. That's its common name, but that's not its chemical name. To get these names, it's the name of the metal plus the name of the nonmetal, and you affix the suffix "ide" at the end of the nonmetal's name. This is, therefore, sodium chloride, and that's the way to name it. Instead of sodium chlorine, I change it to sodium chloride. Now here are some other examples. MgO. Mg is magnesium. O is oxygen, so this is magnesium oxide. Na2O. Now the 2 doesn't matter in the name, so it'd be sodium oxide. Kf. K is potassium. F is fluorine. So this would be potassium fluoride. And LiBr is lithium bromide. Lithium bromide. You can see the ides in all of them. That suffix.